teach you guys how to change the laminator paper. Let's do it. First, you want to make sure that this is hot. Hot to the touch. Put your hand on it, make sure that it's hot. Ready? It's best to change the laminator paper while there's still 2 rolls here. Come, look. If there's still 2 rolls here, you can easily attach the new roll to the old roll and it will roll right through. So it's best to work that way. Follow me. There's 2 things here. Click them off, pull it out. Take off your first roll, click it up, come a little closer, you can see these 2 things here. Take that roll away. You're gonna take a scissor and cut that off in a second. For now, attach your new roll right on top into the color coordinated slots. Dark blue, light blue, light blue. Now, grab your scissors from an office supply closet and cut right across. Now, because your laminator is still hot, this can stick to the machine and not slip down as you attach your new one on to the old one. Nothing slips away, nothing gets away from you. Perfect. Then you want to take your scissor and cut off the bottom one. After you opened it, pull it out, cut off your bottom piece. Leave some slack to have something to attach to. And here you go. Again, open it up, match the colors, and because it's hot, it'll just stick right there. You don't have to worry about pushing it in, shoving it in, forcing it in or anything. It'll slide right in because it attached itself to the old roll. Reattach your bottom piece here. Hit these 2, pull them out, and you hear the machine beep. That's how you know it's ready. Turn it back on. Take your top piece, your guard, put your guard back on. There's a little thing here you'll see. And then you're ready to go. It'll all go in easily. You won't have to worry about feeding it into the back or anything. Let's try a sheet so you see. Set it up. It's going through. And there you have it. Perfect. No wrinkles. Ready to be posted. Whenever you're done, stop it. Press this down. Slide it across, and you have your sheet. That's how you reload the laminator.